Problem number 27. 10% of x plus y is equal to 25% of y எனில் 2x minus y by 2x plus y in மதிப்பு என்ன? We have to find the value of x and y. So 10% of x plus y, 10 by 100 into x plus y is equal to 25 by 100 into y. Simplified, this is 1 x plus y by 10. Okay, that is equal to 1 by 4, that is y by 4. Again you can simplify it, 4x plus 4y, 4 into x plus y is equal to 10 into y. 4x plus 4y is equal to 10y. 4x is equal to, here I can write, 4x is equal to 10y minus 4y. 4x is equal to 6y. X by y is equal to, that is, x by is equal to 6 by 4, that is equal to 3 by 2. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. So this is the value of x and y. This is x, this is y. The question is, find the value of 2x. 2 into 3 minus 2 divided by 2 into 3 plus 2. So 6 minus 2, that is equal to 4 by 6 plus 8, that is equal to 1 by 2. The value of 2x minus y and 2x plus y is 1 by 2. This is the answer. Problem number 28. 25% of x minus y is equal to 15% of x plus y எனில் y என்பது x இன் எத்தனை சதவீதத்திற்கு சமம்? The question. So 25 by 100 into x minus y is equal to 15 by 100 into x plus y. Okay. எனில் y என்பது x இன் எத்தனை சதவீதத்திற்கு சமம் கண்டுபிடிப்போம். This is 4. Okay. So this is 3. This is 20. Okay. So x minus y by 4 is equal to 3 into x plus y by 20. We cross multiply it, so this will become 20 into x minus y by 4 is equal to 3 into x plus y. Okay, this will become 5. This is 5x minus y is equal to 3x plus 3y. 5x minus 5y is equal to 3x plus 3y. Okay. So 5x minus 3x is equal to 3y plus 5y. So this will become 2x. 2x by is equal to 8y. 8y. So x by y is equal to 8 by x by y is equal to 8 by 2. Okay. X by y is equal to 8 by 2. This is 4 by 1. So x is equal to 4 y is equal to 1. So y என்பது x இன் எத்தனை சதவீதத்திற்கு சமம்? So this is y. Okay. எத்தனை சதவீதத்துக்கு சமம் இது? This is into 100 போட்டீங்கன்னா x by is equal to 4y. X is equal to 4y. This is not 400. So question என்ன? y என்பது x இன் எத்தனை சதவீதத்திற்கு சமம்? Therefore y is equal to x into 1 by 4 into 100. That is equal to 25%. இது ஆன்சர். அதாவது y வந்து 25 சமம் 25% of x. Okay, this is x. This is the answer. This way you have to work out this problem.